Welcome back. We dive into all things crypto and always keep it quick and to the point. Huge thanks to our sponsor, Bunk's Crypto Exchange. If you're looking to grab XRP, which could very well be the future global reserve currency, hit that link in the description below. Now let's get into today's game-changing news. This is huge, almost hard to believe. We've just heard from Paul Atkins, former SEC commissioner, who announced the launch of Project Crypto. This is a full-scale initiative aimed at creating outdated securities regulations and shifting the U.S. financial markets onto blockchain technology. Yes, you heard that right. After years of the SEC pushing back against crypto, they're finally turning the corner. They're now embracing blockchain, adopting crypto infrastructure, and leading the charge toward tokenizing financial assets. We're talking about traditional stocks, trillions of dollars worth being transformed into blockchain-based assets. And everything we're seeing points toward one clear conclusion. This entire transformation is being built on the XRP ledger. This is truly next level. Let's break down the full scope of tokenizable markets being targeted. We're looking at global debt around $187 trillion, real estate valued at $20 trillion, private equity at $7 trillion, securities totaling $42 trillion, and trade finance coming in at $12 trillion. Altogether, we're talking about a staggering $268 trillion in assets that could potentially be moved onto the blockchain under the SEC's new initiative. Just let that sink in. That's the kind of value we're discussing here. And if XRP plays the foundational role in powering this transformation, we could realistically see its market cap explode into the multi-trillion-dollar range. That means a significantly higher XRP price than we've ever seen before. We've also got additional comments straight from Paul Atkins regarding the recommendations made by the President's Working Group. Even more striking, the President himself has emphasized the vision of a global financial system powered by American-built technology. And that points directly to Ripple and the XRP ledger. Ripple is a US-based company, and XRP is a US-developed digital asset. This serves as even more confirmation that American-made crypto, specifically XRP, is being positioned at the core of this massive financial evolution. And get this, in the brand new US crypto report released on July 30th, the term cross-border payments was mentioned more than 30 times. That's no coincidence. XRP has long been the dominant force in the cross-border payment space. That kind of repeated emphasis. It's becoming increasingly clear, almost inevitable, that the US is moving toward adopting XRP, not just for tokenization, but also for global payments and financial infrastructure. To top it all off, the SEC chair has officially instructed the agency's staff to create a new framework that allows cryptocurrencies and traditional securities to be traded side by side. This is a major move. It means we're seeing the foundation being laid for a unified financial system where stocks, tokens, and digital assets coexist and are traded seamlessly on a single platform. And according to Paul Atkins, most crypto assets don't even fall under securities laws. They're considered non-securities. That clears the path for widespread adoption without the heavy regulatory baggage. So while we're not fully there yet, the good news is that for now, most cryptocurrencies appear to be in the clear. Hey, this is a huge deal. It suggests the SEC isn't planning to crack down on the broader crypto market the way they did. With XRP, in a way, other crypto projects are fortunate they're not being dragged through the same legal battles and regulatory pressure that Ripple and XRP had to endure. XRP took the hits first, and now the path may be clearer for the rest. Over the past 5 years, Ripple has been locked in a tough legal battle with the SEC. But tides are finally shifting. Here's something interesting. Users on Polymarket are now betting with a 55% chance that the Clarity Act legislation that could finally define crypto regulations will be passed into law this year. If we go by timelines associated with Trump's return, we might see the Clarity Act officially signed sometime between August and September. Now, shifting gears to something a bit more out there, not crypto-related, but definitely worth noting. There's growing speculation about a major macro event, and it's not financial. Some believe we could be witnessing a staged alien invasion. A new study even reports a massive alien craft, nearly 7 miles wide and potentially dangerous, could be approaching Earth. Crazy? Maybe. But don't be shocked if the elites decide to pull this card out next. That's it for today's video. Hope you found it valuable. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.